Bugger Wugger. Say hi, Buggers. That's Mommy's bug. Say hi, fat cheeks. Say hi. Hi, baby. Say we had the snowpocalypse. It snowed so much. Let's go show them the snow bug. You want to show them the snow? You show them the snow? Hi, baby. Hi, Mama. So, Bean is 2 weeks old. My hair is a month old and I look crazy. That's what happens when you have a baby. Bay? Oh, there's Bay. There's Bay. There's your daddy. See, I've been pooping all day.
You what?
Pooping.
You're pooping?
She's been pooping all
You're
day.
now? Yep. All day.
Let's pray.
Sleep all night.
Let's pray.
Yeah, let's pray.
Say, look at the snow, Daddy. Bee's been outside shoveling out the driveway. All the snow. Look at the snow. It's crazy out there. So, yeah, that's what's been going on around here. I'm caller ID speaking. I don't answer the house phone. This is my mom's house. Oh yeah, I haven't told you guys. So, let's not go out. Hold on. So back to what I was saying. We moved into my mom's the week before our baby shower, which was Halloween. And we've been here ever since. It's to my mom's, not our mom's. It's different. Yeah, it's different. I mean, we're just used to having a whole house to ourselves, and so yeah, it's been some adjusting, but we'll be staying here until so, you know, maybe one random vlog you'll see me packing and we'll be getting ready to move, or maybe you won't. I don't know. It's just we're kind of playing it by ear, but yeah, this is where we are. It just was more beneficial for us to be here because you guys know, if you follow my vlogs, I was at my mom's house almost every day anyway, and so it just made sense at the time for us to move in, and so this is where we are. I can show you a little bit of our living quarters. It's not much to see because it's not it's not our house, but this is Cameron's room that she does not use. She doesn't sleep in here, obviously. She sleeps with her mommy and daddy in the room with us, but she has so much stuff from the baby shower. People have sent her so much stuff. And then this is the room where we are, and as you can see, she has a co-sleeper. And she does sit up on that pillow from time to time. Yeah. So this is where we are. So for the next while, you guys will see vlogs from here. And yeah, the girls are, oh, there they are right there. They were at the neighbors, but they're coming in now. They look like they had a lot of fun. Look at Mimi. Mimi had fun. And there's Mom. So everybody's doing good. And Miss Bean is doing good. She said thank you for checking on her. We're doing good. We're just busy as hell trying to get adjusted to this. Okay, so everyone's coming in and I'm hungry, so we'll come back. Hiccups. 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 Hiccups.
Shirties. A clean long sleeve shirties. What do you? The camera. Okay. Hi. We just came from the snow and we're putting on our snow clothes. So right now I'm trying to find a long sleeve shirt and some great 2 pairs of long socks.
And take these back to Mom. Those are hers. She left them in the kitchen.
Because every time I walk, my feet sizzle. So I'm trying to find 2 pairs
Your
of
feet
socks.
what?
Sizzles when I walk. It's like,
Oh, that's because they frozen.
you came up.
He was outside for like 3 hours.
What?
Felt like he was outside for like 3 hours.
What time is it?
2 something.
Left at 9:30.
Oh, longer than 9 hours. Not longer than 3 hours. You look so pitiful. There she is. She tends to sleep a lot during the day. She has her days and her nights mixed up, which most infants do. And she smiles a lot. She's a happy being. She's really, really small. People thought she was big. She was not. She's doing good though. She drives her mommy and daddy crazy like most newborns do, so we're doing good in life. Yes, I was watching Bailey Living while I'm sitting here with my breast friend, breastfeeding, because that's what we do. And I'm just in love with my daughter. I really, really am. We are so in love with her little fatness. There's Miss Cameron. Cameron. She's still a newborn, but she's getting ready to move into 0 to 3 months. Thankfully, because she's getting longer. She was 19.5 inches long when she was born, and she's 19.75 now, so she's getting bigger. So she's pretty much outgrown most of her sleepers that are newborn, thank God. And I say thank God because she's growing. Every mom is nervous about their baby growing or not growing. And she's doing really, really well. So I'm obsessed with her. Anyway, let me get her to burp. Say bye-bye, baby. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. She's a real content, chill little bean.